Hello students, today we are going to discuss about conjunctions. So without any further delay, let's proceed further. So let's see the definition. Conjunctions join two words or groups of words and help to show the connection between them. Conjunction is also known as joining words. Conjunction allow you to form complex, elegant sentences and avoid the choppiness of multiple short sentences. For example, I work quickly and carefully. Here, and is conjunction because it is joining two statements, that is quickly and carefully. Second example, Shivam has not come as he is ill. So as is conjunction. Words like and, or, but, and, so, because, if, unless, yet, though, when, while, whenever, before, after, till, until, since, if, though, etc. are conjunctions. Now we will discuss the most commonly used conjunction, and the first one is and. The conjunction and means in addition to or at the same time. The conjunction and is used to join words and sentences that have related or similar ideas. For example, Sheetal is honest and kind. The second conjunction is or. The conjunction or implies a choice between two alternatives. It is used to express choice before and alternatives. For example, run fast or you will miss the bus. Now the next is but. The conjunction but expresses contrast between two statements. But means, however, despite this, but is used to connect two opposite ideas. Next is, for example, Atul has passed but his brother has failed. Here, but is conjunction. The next is so. The conjunction so means for that reason or therefore. So is used to link between cause or reason and results. For example, she was ill, so she did not come to school. Here, so is conjunction. Now we will talk about because, as, and since. The conjunctions because, as, and since show cause or reason. Because, as, and since talk about a reason or cause. For example, I trust him because he speaks the truth. Why I trust him? Because he speaks the truth, and that is the reason. Sumit has not come as he is ill. Why Sumit has not come? Because he is ill. So here as is used as a conjunction. You will always be happy since you are positive. So here since is conjunctions. Now the next is if and unless. If and unless are conjunction which is used to express conditions. For example, I will not go out if it rains. Second example, you cannot succeed unless you work hard. So here if and unless are conjunctions which is used to express conditions. Now the next is yet and though. Yet and though or although is used to talk about two different or opposite ideas. They indicate contrast. For example, I warned him of the danger, yet he did not listen to me. Here yet is conjunction because it is indicating contrast or two different ideas. Though I warned him of the danger, he did not listen to me. Here though is conjunction. Now we will talk about when, while, whenever, before, after, till, until. These are the subordinate conjunction which can be used to connect an action or an event to a point in time, or simply we can say that it talks about time relationship. For example, I will phone you when she comes. The doorbell rang when I was having a bath. You may come to my house whenever you like. Take off your shoes before you come in. We arrived after the film has started. So here when, whenever, before, after, these all are conjunction because they are connecting an action or an event to a point in time, and it tells about the time relationships. And the main thing that they are joining two statement. So I hope you have understood the chapter. So students, keep learning and stay safe.